sports infrastructure in that constituency so that we enable those children learning in the rural setting to also have an opportunity to play any sport and be able to develop their talent in the co-curricular and be able to also earn a ticket to the diaspora. And my teacher, therefore, those of you who are trainers of co-curricular activities and have no children or no facility, try and look for a way to secure a transfer to West Mugirango. You will be able to showcase your talent, and if you do not want to come permanently, you can enroll to be a visiting coach or trainer in your area of interest in sports, so that we partner up to ensure that these children we are sending there do not become very lonely. We are doing 2 today. I'm looking forward that before my expiry of 4 years remaining of this term in office, I want to make sure that I will have done from my constituency a minimum of 100 children going on scholarship to go and study. Which therefore tells me to tell you parents like me, there are parents who resist contributing to the co-curricular activities because they consider that not learning. They consider it a nuisance. I want to urge us as parents of Kenya to make sure that we do investments in the total training of our children. You do not know that it is that talent you are denying the child in basketball, netball, hockey, table tennis, or soccer. You don't know that it is that talent that will earn them a scholarship that Elkanah has got today. Otherwise, ordinarily, nobody can afford sending a child to the United States of America. Utaita mchango baada ya mchango, na sisi waheshimiwa tutasema tutakupea ya kukula, hatutakupea ya kuchukua mtoto Amerika kwenda kusoma, kwa sababu akienda atarudi akuje kupinga wewe. So tunawacha wewe ukae namna hiyo. So parents, kindly, and I'm talking to the Republic of Kenya, let us go out of our way and understand that sports is the modern day employer. It is the modern day investment. You know how much money athletes are forking out in the Rift Valley. The rest of Kenya, we are watching as if sportsmen and sportswomen are only born in Rift Valley. No. It is training, it is passion, it is commitment that brings out the best in every one of us. I want to urge us, Kenyan parents, to make sure that we prepare our children and prepare them well. Academically, yes, but let them have an extra, because it is that extra that is going to give them easy visa, that is going to give them employment, that is going to give them a scholarship, that is going to earn you, mzazi, an easy visa to go and visit that child in the United States of America. Otherwise, you'll queue in the embassy until cows come home and you will never get that visa. Am I talking to somebody? Yes. I want to finish on this note that all of us have a duty to develop every child. Don't restrict your nurturing and parental support to your child alone. Give it to every child. That child that is not your own, that you are denying support, is going to be your doctor during your very, very ailing moments. And they will come through for you that time and remind you, when I was going to school, you stood in for me. I fly. These days I'm paid for. So I fly and some children come and say, oh, you used to come to our school where my children went with them. And I get treated as a VIP even when I'm not. So let us go out of our way and and make sure we support every Kenyan child, we support every child to bring out the best in themselves, and the rest tuachie Mungu. Wacha